Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Basant, and in today's video we are going to see how we can build an expression in our EDMCS application for the lookup sets using the find function. So let's start. So first we move on to our application, that is EDMCS application, and I already created two application, that is our custom application, that will be the source in this case, and one is financial and close application, that is the target application. So for this I have made one master view. Okay, let me show you that. So in this master view we have one source application, that is our custom application, and it have a chart of accounts, as you can see. On the balance sheet we have total assets and total liabilities and equity, and for our target application we have FCCS, and it have the account dimension. Okay, so what are lookup sets? So lookup sets are just let me show you. Let me open it. So lookup sets, either you can create one lookup sets, or if you have any, you can use that. So in my current case I have created one lookup sets, that is custom underscore account type. So as you can see in our target application, I've defined the lookup sets. So whatever the key value in our source application will derive the value for the target application as this. So suppose if my source application have ERP-A, then the target application will get the account type property as assets. And if the source application have account type property as ERP-L, then the target application will take the value as liability. So let's do the practical of it. So first I will go on the views and build an expression for this. So open the master view and select the target application, click on three dots and go to inspect. So under this we have to define the node type converter, and I already defined the node type converter in this. So here it is. Go to the converters, and this is my source application, and now here we will have to define the expression. So click on edit, and let's find the account type. Here it is, and under this I want to give the expression, so I will click on this down arrow and click on transform. And in the source account you can see we have a fx icon to define the expression. Let's click on it. So here is the structure for that. So we can you can see we have various statements, we can use the objects, we have operators as well. So I want to use the statement as written, so I'm using it. Okay, and let's click on the lookup sets because we are going to use this in the account type properties. Okay, then I have to choose the whatever account type property I am going to, which my source application has. So I have to select that. So this is that. Okay, so this is a lookup set I want to use in this. So custom underscore account type is the lookup set which I previously showed you. Okay, and click on find because you're going to use the find function. So I'm going to search for, let's select the source node first. Okay, and then the properties, and under this properties I want to like search for the account type. Okay, so this is my total full expression, and disable pass through is just if we just make it true, then the rule will not run. It will uh, it will it will easily will allow us to transfer the account from the source to target. Okay, and if we take it as false, then it will give an error that that if we don't use any ERP.A, then it will give an error and show that that is not correct. Okay, so let's apply it. Click save, and here uh, click close. So data, whatever modification has been done, it will take a refresh. So let's click on side by side view and test the practical of it. So under this I will add one account in the source application. Let's take one asset account and give the account type as whatever we had the key value in the lookup sets. So I will just make a new request and add a child to the cache and cache equivalents. Let's name it as cache 05. Description, it is non-mandatory, so I'm ignoring. Any account type property I will give it as is at ERP-A. So it will give the value as asset in the target application. Okay, so this is the account which is created, and let's move this account to the cache and cache equivalents of the target application. So I'll just search and find that. Okay, here it is. Okay, let me just expand this and transfer this account from the source to the target, that is FCCS accounts. I will just drag it and drop in this its hierarchy, and you can see we got the account. And let's see what the account type property we got. Okay, so as you can see, we got in the source we had ERP-A, and in the target we got as assets. Okay, so okay, let's check for the libraries also. So in libraries I will do for the creditors. So creditors have the account type properties as ERP-L, so it will give us the result as liability. So let's find out. Okay, so I'm searching for current liabilities, and on the current liabilities we have other liabilities, and let's drag and drop the creditors here. Okay, I'm just taking this account and dropping it here. So creditors have a property is liability, and let's see what is it giving, what output it is giving us. So yes, as you can see, we're getting the account type as liability, though we have the account property as ERP-L in the source application, but in the target it is giving us the correct result. So that is it for the lookup sets, and we have used the find function for that. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query, you can visit our website, that is bspsolutions.com. Thank you.